The motivational niche is one of the best and most profitable niches on YouTube. And the crazy thing is, there are a lot of subcategories such as luxury motivation, dark motivation, wisdom motivation, and I recently revealed one of the newest trends, which is the anime motivation niche. These niches are really good for YouTube shorts. So, today I decided to give you a sub-niche for motivation, which is suitable for long videos. This sub-niche is not saturated yet, so it's better if you can start this as soon as you finish this video. I will name this niche as uplifting stories. Let me explain so that you can get a good idea about this topic. What we are going to do is, we are going to deliver a motivational message through a creative and uplifting story. Let me tell you why you should start this niche. This niche is for long videos, which means you can make 10 times more than a normal short motivation video. It's because short and long videos have two different RPM values. As an example, for the motivational niche, YouTube pays around $0.02 per 1,000 views for short videos, and they pay around $1 for 1,000 views for long videos. So if you do the math, it's actually not 10 times, it's 100 times more. If you follow the method I'm going to show you today, you can easily monetize this niche. This is one of the YouTube channels I found in this niche. They have gained 83,000 subscribers with only 28 videos. If you take a look at this channel, you will be able to understand about this niche. In the next several minutes, I will show you how to create a channel like this from scratch for this niche. First, let me show you a part of the sample video I created for this niche.
In the heart of a bustling town, there lived a young boy named Alex. Once full of laughter and joy, Alex found himself overcome by a deep sadness that seemed to weigh heavily upon him like a dark storm cloud. It wasn't just one thing that made him sad. It was a combination of many small disappointments and setbacks that had gradually chipped away at his happiness. With a heavy heart, Alex wandered through the streets, his eyes downcast and his shoulders slumped. He couldn't shake off the feeling of despair that seemed to cling to him like a shadow. One day, as he sat alone in the park, lost in his thoughts, an old man approached him. The man's eyes sparkled with wisdom and his smile radiated warmth and kindness.
Let's start with creating a banner and logo for this niche. We can use Leonardo AI for that. First, sign up to your Leonardo AI account. You don't need to buy the subscription for this. They will give 150 free credits every day. That's more than enough of 3 videos. So, let me explain how this works. So all these images are actually AI models. If you look carefully, each one of them has different characteristics. First, you should decide what type of an image you would prefer for your logo. In this case, we need a cartoon-style image with more colors. And let's find a suitable model. This one would be suitable for this logo. Let's use it. Then, click Generate using this model. It will bring you to this page. This is where you are going to create the magic. You can change the size of the images using these dimensions. These specific numbers represent the number of artworks. So for this logo, I will make 3 artworks, then we can select the best one for this new channel. I'm going to use this specific prompt for this. I will add this prompt in the description so that you guys can use it, but make sure to change it a little bit to avoid getting the same images. Let's see what we get. Just like I expected, I will use this image as a logo for my channel. Let's download it. Now, let's create the banner. So for that, I will use a prompt like this. If you want to get this prompt, I will leave it in the description. Okay, this image is good for this channel. So just like this, you can create the logo and banner without any issues. It's really simple. Now that we have the logo and banner for this channel, let's start creating our first video. The first thing we need is a good script. Remember, having a good script is one of the main factors for your video's success. As you all know, we can generate a script with ChatGPT within seconds. But the problem is, I don't think the creativity of ChatGPT is enough now. We can probably say that nowadays we can easily recognize if a script is generated using AI or not. In order to go viral or become an owner of a successful motivational channel, your script should not sound AI generated. The only thing you can do to overcome this problem is to ask ChatGPT to generate the script as naturally as possible. And then, you need to convert that script to your own words again. This may sound like a complicated task, but it's actually not that complicated. So, let's go to ChatGPT and ask like this. This is the prompt I'm going to use. Create a made-up story about a boy who is sad. Then he meets an old wise man. The man teaches this kid a lesson about the happiness is a choice. This story should be motivating and uplifting, making it more natural and interesting. It should be able to grab the viewer's attention till the end. I will give you an example story so that you can get some idea about the story I want. Okay, I read this video script and it's really good, so we can use this for our first video. After you create the script, we need to make voiceovers. Again, the voice we are going to use should not sound like an AI voice. That's why we need to select an ultra-realistic AI voice generator, where your viewers won't be able to say that this voice is AI generated. 11 Labs is one of the best and most realistic text-speech AI voice generators. There are a lot of AI voices in 11 Labs. You can even clone your voice with this. So, you don't have to worry about buying expensive equipment for voice recording. And most importantly, you can monetize your videos using this voices. You can sign up for free. It will give free 10,000 characters. Now, let's check several AI voices and select a suitable one for this video. If you click this Add Voice button and click Voice Library, you can get access to more voices. By selecting suitable keywords from this top menu, you can get voices related to each category, so I will select social media. Let's check this voice.
I'd rather regret the things that I have done than the things that I have not done.
I think we need a more deep and energetic voice. Let's try another one.
You gotta be careful if you don't know where you're going, because you might not get there.
This one is really good for this project. So, let's add it to the voice library. And now, we can use this AI voice. Go to Settings and select that voice. Then all you need to do is copy the script part by part and generate the voiceovers. Don't copy the whole script at once, copy it part by part to get a better quality AI voice. Just like this, create all the voiceovers and put them in a new folder. The next step is to make suitable clips and images for this video. I would recommend using both video clips and images. Don't use only images, because you may face some problems when you are going to monetize your channel. So I will create images using Leonardo AI to match the video script. Then I will animate some of those images. First, let's go to Leonardo AI. Now, you have to read the script several times and create simple prompts according to your story and generate images. Just like this, create as much as images you want for your script. The next step is to animate these images using Runaway AI. You can sign up for this for free. It has several features such as image generation, AI voices, and text video options. For the free plan, they will give you free credits which are enough for at least 10 videos. So, just follow these steps. Click on this to start with the image option. It will bring you to this page. Now you upload or drag the image you want to this bar. For this first image, I'm not going to add a lot of movements, so I will just click this Generate button. Within a few seconds, it will convert this image to an animated video. As you can see here, this is actually good. So, just like this, you can animate several images. You don't need to animate all the images, just a few images would work. Now we need a calm background music. We can use Pixabay for that. It has a lot of background music and sound effects for free. You can just go to Pixabay and search for the music you would prefer and download it. Make sure to select good background music. With that, we have all the material to make the final output. To edit all these, you can use either Adobe Premiere Pro or CapCut. For this example, let's use CapCut. It's a free video editor, and you can download it to your mobile or computer. After you download it, follow these steps. First, start a new project and select a suitable size for your video by clicking this Modify button. Select 9:16 ratio. Then you need to upload all the material that we created to this, click this Import button, and select all those voiceovers, music, and videos. First, you need to drag and drop the voiceovers to the timeline in the correct order. As you can see here, there are several silent parts in these voiceovers. We need to cut out all those parts. It's not good for our video. So, you can zoom these layers by increasing this bar. And then drag this bar to those silent places, and you need to click this button, it will cut that part. Then, just like this, remove those silent parts from the voiceovers. This will take several minutes. So carefully remove those unnecessary parts from the voiceovers. Then drag the videos one after the other like this. Make sure to adjust their sizes, because we don't need this runaway watermark to be visible. So, add all the videos we generated just like this. Now, we need to add some transitions in between these clips to make this video more interesting and professional. So, go to Transitions from the top menu. There are tons of transitions in this. All you need to do is select the suitable transition and drag it in between these clips like this. Do this for all clips. After that, we need to add captions. CapCut has a feature that can automatically generate captions. Go to the text and select Auto Captions. Then select English as the language and generate. It will generate the caption within a few seconds. Then you can edit it in a suitable way. I will make the text size bigger and change its fonts as well. edit these text in an interesting way, it's completely up to you. I would recommend using bold fonts and simple colors. Make sure that these captions stand out, so I will select this cool font. It's suitable for this niche. You can add any text effects for these captions from here. Now we need to add some sliding animations. Go to Animations and select Captions from the top menu. There are several animations for captions here. I will select this specific animation. It has this cool smooth motion, so I think it will be good for this video. Then add the background music under the voice layers. Make sure to reduce its volume. With that, the video editing part is done. Now we can export this and upload it to the new channel. So I hope you learned something from this video, guys. I will see you in the next video.